Big up yourself!
Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in and clicking on this video. It's the latest on trend with your girl Biani.
His name is Raphael Yaw. On April 13, Ralph was on his way to pick up his younger siblings from a friend's house. He accidentally went to the wrong address. He parked in the driveway, went up to the door, and rang the doorbell. The man inside opened up the door and shot him in the head through the glass door. When Raphael was on the ground, he shot him again. Luckily, Raphael, with the will to live and the power of God by his side, he was able to get up and run to multiple neighbors' house before finally getting help. Ralph is a great kid. He's currently fighting for the chance to return to what could be a new normal. He loves music. This is him playing, doing what he loves to do. This man who did this is currently free and living comfortably inside of his home. Raphael deserves better. Black boys in America deserves better. This is not okay.
That was the story of 16-year-old Ralph Yaw. Knocked on the wrong door in Missouri and was shot. He went to the door at the wrong home to pick up his younger twin brother, and that's when he was shot, according to the police. The correct address Yaw was attempting to go to was a block away, and according to the victim's aunt, the homeowner opened his door and then opened fire on Yaw. The crazy part about this is that even whilst he was on the floor, allegedly he took a second shot at Yaw, hitting him in the head again. The shooter was held by police for 24 hours pending investigation, but he was released. Investigators in Kansas City are investigating whether or not the shooting of Ralph Yaw was racially motivated. Also, the Clay County prosecutor said he is working with the police to quickly review the case and determine if the homeowner should be charged. He says, "We understand how frustrating this has been, but we can assure the public that the system is working." Thompson said in a news release, "As with any serious case submitted to our office, we will approach this case in an objective and impartial manner." Following this, the suspect, Andrew Lester, 85-year-old, a white male, is charged with armed criminal action and first-degree assault. Both are felonies. An arrest warrant has been issued and a bond has been set at $200,000. According to a probable cause statement, a victim was shot twice in the head and arm. Suspect fired through the glass door. Victim in the case did not cross the threshold. Does not indicate words were exchanged. There are no witnesses and no video of the incident. 32 revolver was used. Ralph is a section leader in his school marching band and is said to be a top bass clarinet player in the state of Missouri. Interestingly enough, this is causing quite a debate online. It's all seeming like a big distraction to really getting this man arrested and persecuted and bringing justice to this young man. One user said, and I agree, if you are locked inside your home and you are scared when someone knocks at the door, then don't open it, call 911. I don't think people should just open the door at an instant when someone knocks. You should always look first. It's just being safe and taking the right precautions. The amazing thing is, Ralph was able to get up and run to the neighbor's house. However, he did have to run to 3 different homes before someone finally agreed to help him after he was told to lie on the ground with his hands up. 16-year-old Ralph Yaw has now been officially released from the hospital. It's going to be a new life for him. Let justice be brought to this. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure that you do like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll speak to you guys in the next video.
Don't forget to hit your notification bell so that you guys are notified whenever I post.